Dr. Mukul Sangma la Dawa bentok kit bat ban pelong exam biang ikatna Pulit dak Kynnoh bakadon ka Shiliang. Hagbay baka Jingpynrung ka blami hakan rio trik ulber Sangma ulong bakani klapen ken ki kendon jong meglaya Police Act arhaja shipho bat karukom tungkam ka bakhuit besuba. Ulakan thoru baka Central Recruitment Board kabla ailat ki candidate ban kerpat ban pha ki Jingpynrung hadin baladap Pynialeh ke exam.
This guideline must be the guiding force. The whole mandate comes from this guideline. This guideline is based on the transparent recruitment policy adopted by the Meghalaya Police. And this transparent recruitment policy is also a binding requirement as per the mandate of the Meghalaya Police Act 2010. I'll be writing to the chairman of the CRB, Meghalaya Police, to this effect, to ensure that this whole examination process, in as far as the written examination for this recruitment for different categories of posts is concerned, must be reconducted.
Ka office jong ka